to my YouTube channel. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. Today's video is going to be another house tour, which I've already done one for this space, but we did a few updates, mostly just getting rid of some pieces of furniture. So nothing huge, but I did want to share with you guys. And last time I did one, it was overcast and it was later in the day, so it was kind of dark in here. So I wanted to do like a sunnier version. And also if you saw our latest vlog, we are going to be moving out of this space, so I kind of wanted to just use it as much as I could before we leave and share as much as I could with you guys, since you really enjoy the space and we also had so much fun decorating it. So for this video, since I went into detail on my last house tour, I'm going to kind of just do like a sunny walkthrough on this one. Everything will be linked that I can find in the description box, and other than that, let's get to it.